So in this little video, I've just done a small comparison table between how methods of producing ATP that I've covered. So we've got aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration and fermentation. If we compare the growth conditions for the organisms that do these types of things, for aerobic, obviously it has to be aerobic, so you need oxygen, which acts as the final electron acceptor. This can have sort of different types of how it's made. So you've got substrate level phosphorylation or oxidative phosphorylation, and there can be different amounts produced depending on what type of organism you are. So if you're eukaryotic, then you can produce 36, and if you're prokaryotes, you can produce 38. This is because there needs to be ATP used in eukaryotes to undergo the last couple of steps. You're anaerobic, obviously anaerobic, so it doesn't need oxygen to do this. Instead, it can use inorganic molecules such as ions as a final electron acceptor, but never oxygen. They're the same types as aerobic respiration, so you've got substrate level and oxidative phosphorylation, but there's a much more varied amount in ATP that can be made. So you can have, there's always going to be though more than 2 but less than 38, so there's quite a big range there of how much ATP you can form. And then your final one, you've got fermentation. This can be aerobic or anaerobic. You just get different products from it. And then your final electron acceptor is an organic molecule. This can only occur in one way, which is at substrate level, and you can only ever produce 2 ATP because it's basically glycolysis.